Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this handmade headband for baby using my fabric flower tutorials. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. These are the materials we need to make this headband. I have made a tutorial for this lace fabric flower. You can click the link here. For this fabric rose, you can watch the tutorial here. For this handmade tulle flower, you can watch the tutorial here. And we are going to need a lace, a butterfly applique. You can click the link here for this fabric butterfly tutorial. I bought this piece of fabric, but if you want to make it yourself, you can watch the tutorial here. Prepare a piece of felt fabric, an elastic band, needle and thread. First, attach these two flowers together. Take this tulle flower and attach on this piece of fabric. And glue all flowers together like this. I use needle and thread to attach this butterfly applique. After this, attach the lace like this. And I will cut the elastic band before attaching it to the flowers. our baby headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.